In today's video, we will learn 5 interesting gardening ideas and hacks on how to use cow dung or any animal manure the right way. Questions like, can I use fresh cow dung on my plants? And some useful gardening hacks on using fresh cow dung as fertilizer, sun-dried or dehydrated cow dung for plants, and a lot more. We all know that cow dung is one of the best organic natural fertilizers for plants. Cow manure is packed with quality, major and minor nutrients required for plant growth, that is NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium and other trace elements. Roughly the NPK value of decomposed cow dung is 3:1. Now, let's begin with 5 interesting and useful questions on the use of cow dung, horse dung, or any animal manure. At number 5. Can we use fresh cow dung on plants? This is the most important and commonly asked question on cow dung. Cow dung can be either fresh cow dung, sun-dried and dehydrated cow dung, aged or partially decomposed dung, and completely decomposed cow dung manure, which is commercially sold by many companies. We will discuss on these, one by one, and by the end of the video, you will know which one is best for your plants. Remember, fresh cow poop should never be applied for your plants, because it not only stinks, but also contains high levels of ammonia and salts which can burn your plants. It also contains harmful microorganisms, like E. coli, which are harmful to plants and humans. Plus it also contains weed seeds which can produce a lot of weeds or unwanted plants in your garden. If you have fresh cow dung, you can use it in some of these ways shown here, and follow these simple garden hacks. At number 4. Convert fresh cow dung to aged cow dung. Yes, the next better option to use is an aged cow dung at least 6 months old. Simple hack is to just dig a hole in your garden, or, if you do container gardening, take a large container with garden soil and dig a hole, at least 4 to 6 inches deep, and drop the fresh cow dung and cover it with garden soil. Leave it to age for at least 6 months. At number 3. Another simple garden hack is, dig a hole between 2 plants and bury fresh cow dung, at least 4 to 6 inches deep, but it should not be in direct contact with roots. This way the manure becomes a gradual fertilizer around the plant and is not in direct contact with the roots to burn the plants. The only drawback of this hack is, it cannot be used in container gardening, unless it's a large container. And one more thing, you can also use sun-dried cow dung for this hack. We will talk about this next. At number 2. Dehydrated cow dung. This in simple terms means dehydration, that's removal of water from it. This is done in 2 ways. The first method is, just sun-dry it for a few days and dehydrate it. The second process of dehydration is the machine-processed method, which uses heat to dehydrate. This reduces the harmful microbes and also ammonia plus salt content to a certain extent. This dehydrated cow dung is lightweight and can be used on most plants. But use it in smaller amounts, or better avoid it for young plants and seedlings. At number 1. Composted or fully decomposed cow dung. If you drop the cow dung into the process of composting, the final product you get is the best and safe organic fertilizer for your plants. When you compost cow manure, you get several benefits, like the harmful ammonia is eliminated, weed seeds in the soil are destroyed, and it also makes your soil well-draining and well-aerated, plus its moisture-holding capacity is greatly improved. The only problem is it's a bit expensive, especially from a reliable company. This type of cow dung is the safe and best option for plants and can be applied either by mixing with potting soil in about 20 to 30% proportion, or it can also be applied once in a month on the top soil after raking or tilling the soil. You can also watch a detailed video on goat droppings and how to use fresh goat manure from this end screen link circled right here. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it with garden lovers and comment below with your feedback or queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!